you're going to want to round out that Tremec install with one of Ram's top quality hydraulic release bearing kits. These universal kits are designed for 5 and 6 speed transmissions, and they all feature the Ram heavy duty hydraulic bearing assembly. The 5-speed kits are going to include a replacement collar for the front of the transmission, and what this is going to do is create a little bit more space in there to set your height up on the hydraulic bearing and also allow for taller clutches. Same thing on the 6-speed kit, it's going to also include a universal collar that will bolt to the front of the transmission. All these kits are going to include all the mounting hardware that you need to install it, the spacer shims in order to set your height up, and a bleed line and the fittings. Now the Ram bearings do not include a master cylinder. You're going to need a 3/4 bore master with a minimum of a 1.1 inch stroke in order to achieve the proper travel with the bearing to make it work properly in your application.